Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to get EasyJet Receipt. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your EasyJet account, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, how can you create an account on EasyJet? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type easyjet.com. It's going to take you right into the official website for EasyJet. Once you get into the website, check the top right corner of your screen and follow through with the on-screen prompt to sign up by creating a new account. So after creating your account and signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on EasyJet. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to get EasyJet receipts. Once you're logged into the website, you must log in to your EasyJet account to download and print your invoice. Now the receipt, also known as the invoice. Now in the My Trip section, which you're going to find in your mobile phone, choose the flight for which you wish to receive the invoice and click on the invoice button to download your invoice in PDF format. Open the PDF file and click on File and then click on Print to print your invoice. And you can also save it to your computer or your smartphone. Now My Trip section is found in the mobile phone. Okay, so just you can create the EasyJet mobile application. You can create an account on the EasyJet mobile application rather, and after doing that, just see you're going to see the My Trips button in your home page. So click on that and choose the flight from which you want to retrieve the invoice, and then click on Invoice. And once you click on the Invoice button, you'll be able to download your invoice in PDF format. So open the PDF file and click on the file and then Print to print your invoice. You can also save it to your computer or your smartphone. Now let me show you how to check it with your computer that's using your PC. So from here, you're going to see these tabs at the top corner of your screen: flight info, holidays, cars and transfers, business, booking.com, and manage bookings. So go ahead and click on manage bookings, and that is going to take you to the bookings window. So in here, you need to select view bookings. So select view bookings and it takes you here. So you should be able to find your trip in here. So once you click on that, once you find your trip, just head over to the invoice section, which you're going to find. Click on invoice and follow through the on-screen prompt to print your invoice. So that's pretty much how to do it. Now we can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.